Are you looking for the best treadmills for seniors? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. NordicTrack T-Series Treadmills. If you are looking for standard treadmills for seniors, always look for comfort and ease of use. The NordicTrack T-Series treadmill has a 10 degrees incline and one-touch controls, which can be easily used by older adults. It also comes with a 1-month iFit membership, where you get personal coaching experience. It has a space-saving design. It has Flex Select cushioning that helps to soften the impact on your joints that you will usually experience while walking or jogging on the road. Check out this review for a detailed understanding about the product. Stream live and on-demand workouts on your equipment with global workouts and studio classes. Elite trainers adjust your equipment. 10 miles per hour smart one-touch speed control. With iFit, your trainer auto-adjusts your speed and incline through a smart Bluetooth connection. Smart response motor for effective speed, interval, and endurance training. 20-inch by 55-inch tread belt offers plenty of leg and elbow space as you run. Flex Select deck cushioning protects your joints. Innovative space-saver design with easy lift assist means your treadmill can fold up after your run. For compact, simple storage. Auxiliary music port and dual 2-inch speakers provide entertainment. Number 2. Xterra Fitness TR150 Folding Treadmill. This treadmill is specifically designed for homes and combines quality and performance. It has 12 preset programs offering a wide variety of workouts. It has side rails that seniors can use for support. Moreover, the speed range is between 0.5 to 10 miles per hour, so seniors can easily match their pace. The cushioned deck helps to minimize stress on the joints. The LCD helps you keep track of the speed, time, distance, calories, and pulse. The treadmill also has preset speed settings that enable easy access and control of your workout. It operates quietly and has a foldable design and transport wheels, which make it easy to move. If you are looking for a compact treadmill for your home, this should be perfect. This video review will help you understand more about the product. The Xterra Fitness TR150 treadmill combines the quality and performance you desire with the flexibility of a machine that can be easily folded and stored away. The heart-pounding speed range up to 10 miles per hour in 3 manual incline settings are powered by a smooth and quiet 2.25 HP motor. 12 preset programs offer unmatched variety, while the 16 inches by 50 inches Xterra soft cushion deck provides maximum impact absorption. Hand grip pulse sensors are conveniently mounted on the side handlebars to help keep you in your training zone. A large 5-inch LCD provides you with important workout feedback, while the direct touch speed buttons provide quick access of your favorite speeds, great for interval training. The integrated book rack and accessory holders keep your reading material, remote control, and anything else you want close by, right where you need it. When your workout is complete, simply fold your treadmill and store out of the way using the built-in transport wheels. Number 3. Sunny Health and Fitness Folding Treadmill, SFT 4400. This treadmill has 9 built-in workout programs along with handrail controls. You can easily press buttons on the handrail to start, stop, pause, and control the speed of the treadmill. It has 49x15. 5W inches of running surface and a phone/tablet holder that adds to the user comfort and accessibility during the workout. The quick speed buttons are easy to access and operate by seniors. The shock absorption deck prevents any injury to the joints while working out. If you are still unsure, check out this honest review. The Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill features 9 built-in workout programs, handrail controls, and a phone/table holder that will add comfort and accessibility during any workout routine. This well-designed treadmill features an easy folding mechanism and soft drop system. The soft drop system will assist you when opening the treadmill, avoiding a big slam or damage to your wood/carpet floor. It features an LCD screen that tracks your speed, time, distance, pulse, and calories, which makes it easier to track your fitness goals. The Sunny Health and Fitness treadmill is expertly designed for maximum performance, optimal comfort, and ultimate efficiency, with a maximum user weight capacity of 220 pounds. Number 4. SereneLife Smart Electric Folding Treadmill. If you are looking for a hassle-free treadmill for seniors, the SereneLife Smart Folding Treadmill is a perfect choice. It is not for serious runners or heavy running but is perfect for older individuals. It has an electric motorized plug-in design and is a slim and compact treadmill. It is portable and has a hydraulic folding system for easy setup and storage. You can connect the device with the FitShow app via Bluetooth, where you can record and review your training data, check training stats, and challenge friends. It has 12 preset training modes for cardio fitness, weight loss, and building stamina. Treadmill dimensions: 50-inch L x 24W x 49.2H, folded dimensions: 25.2 L x 24W x 49.2H, weight: 60 pounds, maximum user weight: 265 pounds, tread belt: 39.37 L x 15.74 W, speed: 0.6 to 6.0 miles per hour, inclination: 3 levels. Get connected with the FitShow app on your device via Bluetooth. Allows you to record and review training data, display training stats and challenge friends, and share fitness data on social media. Works with Android, iPhone, tablet. Number 5. Merax Electric Folding Treadmill. This folding treadmill has a compact footprint and features a fast folding design that is easy to store and transport. It has a multifunctional LCD display that helps you track your time, speed, distance, and calories. You can also plug in your phone or USB flash drive to follow your training videos or listen to workout tracks. It has easy-to-access buttons on the handles to help you start or stop the device instantly. You can also change your speed settings with these buttons during the workout. The tread belt has an anti-slip high-density lawn texture to absorb shock and provide comfort and safety. Super fast and easy assembly. This Merax folding treadmill boasts a compact footprint and fast folding design with convenient transportation wheels to move around without hassle. You can either store it in your living room, study, a small corner, or under the bed. Multifunctional LCD display to track your performance in time, speed, distance, and calories burnt, promising a superior and effective home treadmill workout. Simply plug in your phone or insert USB flash drive, and you can emerge into training with your workout playlist. Phone/pad deck available. Number 6. ProForm Performance 300i Treadmill. This sturdy treadmill is built to support both light and intense workouts. It has 8 preset workout apps to choose from, and all these apps are designed by a certified personal trainer. The treadmill has one-touch controls that let you adjust your speed and incline without interrupting your workout rhythm. It also has a ProShocks cushioning system that effectively reduces the impact on your joints and makes the workout more comfortable. This treadmill has a commercial plus motor that is smooth and powerful yet quiet. This machine is perfect for walking and light running. Tested up to 400 pounds of user weight. Extra wide 20-inch treadmill belt like you would find in health clubs. 1.5 horsepower high torque motor utilizes quiet drive which reduces any noise when walking. Measure your target heart rate. Jog at 4 miles per hour for a vigorous workout.